Hey everyone, welcome back to Council Craft. Today I've got a super fun and bold festival makeup look for you. It's perfect for concerts, music festivals, or any event where you just want to stand out. Plus, I'll be reviewing some amazing products to help you achieve a vibrant and long-lasting look. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk eyeshadow. Start with a good eye primer. This one's a game changer. It enhances pigment and prevents creasing, so your look stays flawless all day. Now grab a neon eyeshadow palette. Go wild with bright shades like pink, blue, yellow, or green. Blend different colors for a gradient or rainbow effect. Trust me, your eyes are gonna pop. Next, it's time for some sparkle. Apply glitter glue before pressing on loose glitter or shimmer shadow. Want even more glam? Add some face-safe rhinestones around your eyes or temples. It's festival season. Go big or go home, right? Alright, now let's get artsy with your eyeliner. Use a white, neon, or metallic eyeliner for a bold and artistic touch. Try a double-winged liner, abstract shapes, or floating liner for a unique twist. This is your chance to get creative. On to the base. Dewy, glowing foundation is the way to go. Use a hydrating foundation to get that fresh, luminous finish. Don't forget to highlight those cheekbones, nose, and collarbones for an extra glow. You'll look radiant under those festival lights. And finally, let's talk lips. Go for a bold lipstick in bright pink, purple, orange, or even blue to match your vibrant theme. For an ombre effect, blend 2 shades for a multi-dimensional look. Your lips are gonna steal the show. And that's the final festival look. Bold, colorful, and perfect for any event. Would you wear this look to a festival? Let me know in the comments and tell me your favorite product from today's tutorial. Oh, and don't forget to finish with a long wear setting spray to keep your makeup in place all day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, share this video with your friends who love makeup as much as you do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.